Hiya, today we're going to do a really quick one, and it's a dab bomb cake. So for this you need a really good chippy, and we've got one down the road at the bottom. So we've got a dab, we've got a bomb cake that we've just buttered, a slice of iceberg lettuce and a slice of onion and a bit of mayonnaise. If they're cool when you've brought them back, just put them under the grill for just a minute or so to warm them up. Don't put them in the microwave. And then when they're done, you slice out your lettuce, put it on, and you get your bomb, you dab on your bomb, and you get your vinegar, lashings of vinegar, and plenty of salt. You can have it done at the chip if you want, but we like to do it at home. And put a slice of your onion on, and then a squirt of your mayonnaise. And this is our quick lunch from the chippy, a dab tea cake. And all we need to do now is eat it. Okay.